there, hope you're doing good. So today I will show you installation of Postgres and creating role and making super user and database connection, new database creation and connection, and some configuration in config file. So let's get started. You just open your browser and search install Postgres and Ubuntu and look for the official documentations, because this is good to go with official documentations every time. And here just create the repository first by copy this command and just execute it on your terminal, and then copy this command and add the key for Postgres on your system. On successful execution you will show OK response, so OK came already. So now install PostgreSQL, and this command will install the PostgreSQL, and just install lower version of Postgres. This command will install latest version. So lower means lower one versions will not cause any problem. Sometimes latest version causes some problem, so I'll prefer installing on lower version. I'm installing 12, sorry 15. So this will take some time, so wait here. And now check the status and version, whether it is successfully installed and running or not. For that you have to just type this command PSQL slash capital V and enter. So here 15.5 PostgreSQL versions installed on my system. Now we just check your status of PostgreSQL ons, whether it is up or down. So just type sudo see, this is running successfully. Now log into the Postgres CLI by using this command. As everything has been installed successfully and server is running, so now you are able to get into the database. So just user, by default Postgres users comes SQL. This command will get you into the Postgres CLI. So now check roles here or database. Just type du. See, only on user is here. So we will create another user, and we will log in with another user by making that user super user, and we'll create DB and make database connections. Now let's create an user first. Create user and give your username. I'm just giving test user here. You give your username as per your choice, and with password, make strong password. I'm just giving my test password. So you give your strong password here. See, create role is done. Now check once. Now you can see test user has been created. Now we'll be able to log in with the test user. So let's go and check by login with test user. So exit from PostgreSQL and go back to your terminal, and from here just type PSQL and hyphen capital U and your username. So I have given my username test user and password. Oh, actually we have to configure change some configuration and configurations file. So let's in order to get into the new user, so just locate your configuration file and use any editor to open it. So I'm using nano here, and it is present in etc postgres directory. See, 15 version is came. So and that pghba file has the postgres configurations. Here we have to allow from peer connection to md5 in order to get into the database. Basically it will check your system password and database password, system user and database user, whether the same user is accessing. So let's just replace peer with md5 here and save it carefully and just exit it, and remember reload every time you are changing in the configurations file. So just restart postgres once in order to reflect the changes. Now it is restarted. Now you can log into the test user database by test user. See, and give here the test user password what you have given during the creation of this user. So I have given 123. So you give your password. See, I just got into the database. So just check database here whether is there any database created. So as of now only that 3 database is there, which comes by default. So we'll just create database here, create database and database name. So I'm just giving testdb. Actually permission has been denied because that user is not super user, so we have to make this user super user first, then we will be able to create database. Just check once the user. See, test user is not a super user, so we'll make it super user first, then we will be able to create database. So let's make super user. So alter user, your username. I have given test user with super user. To make a super user you have to log in by a user which is already a super user. So this is test user, right? So we have to log in by postgres user. So this is a super user and we have to alter our user and give him super user privilege. So we'll just get into the postgres first and we'll make super user here. User test user with super user. See, now you will become super user. See, super user status came. Now you just exit from the postgres and log in by your username, like this test user, login by test user here. Give your test user password. Now you will be able to create database. I'm just giving test db here. You give your database name, enter. See, database has been created successfully. Now you can check database. See, test db owned by test user. So we have created user and database successfully. Now just connect test db once. Just use C for connection. This is abbreviation. You can use connect, \connect also. Test db. Now you are connected to the database test db as a test user. See, now you can do some basic operations. Go and research a little bit and do your own. I'll just post another video and I'll show all the basic operations and connection with application, Node.js application, Python application. So thank you for